Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I liked the colors that I added the 24 karat gold to so much that I'm going to use up the last of those colors, and I added a blue that I had mixed that was a combination of colors, and then added some Anita's white too to make it a metallic, and now I've added a little bit of the gold to it, but you really can't tell it. So that's my homemade color. This is Liquitex Dioxazine Purple, and I've added some of the 24 karat Deco Art gold to it. This is Anita's Blue Lagoon. This is Anita's Metallic Turquoise. This is Anita's Silver. That's the really light silver because I thought it would help to lighten the whole thing up some. I think I see a lump in there. And I hope I have all these about the right consistency. And then I have a little bit of 24 karat gold to throw in there on top of some of the other colors. So I need 5 ounces. I may only have about 5 ounces of paint here, so we'll see how this one goes. So I have more of this blue. So I'm gonna start out with it. I'm gonna put some of that Dioxazine Purple in on top of it. I'm gonna lighten that a little bit with some of that Anita Silver. Go in with a dark blue, that's that Blue Lagoon. Not a whole lot of it though. Maybe I'll put some of that gold, a little bit of gold on top of that. And then some turquoise. That turquoise is so pretty, it'll hurt your eyeballs. Okay, let's do that again. Some more blue. Turquoise, Dioxazine Purple. Some silver. Some Blue Lagoon. This is a really pretty color too. I think the last of the turquoise. A little bit of gold. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. So, I will need all of this paint, I think. I really didn't want to put any black or white in it. I think I'll put some gold, last of that gold in on top of that purple. Maybe that'll make it mix more and it'd be pretty. And dirty it up a little bit with some silver. I'm not really going to scrape it because this has been mixed for a while, and if there's a blob, I don't really want it to come loose. So now I have to decide how I want to pour this. I think I saw a blob. A really big blob. just fell out. So we'll see what we've got here. I'm afraid that blue in the middle is going to be really ugly. It doesn't look very metallic-y. It's too thick. See if I have some more of this thinner black to go around the edges. See if that'll help it move some. Might be incorporating itself into it because it seems to be running underneath the paint instead of helping it to move out. It's all so pretty except the center. Oh, me. Just wasn't enough sparkle in that blue. I think I see some lumps. Oh man, I sure wish I hadn't started out with that blue. I'm afraid it's going to look so dull up against the other colors. Well, it is what it is. The funny thing is now I don't see any lumps. I see gold in everything except that blue. And I did add some, I just didn't add a whole lot. I wish now I had added a whole lot, because that's bumming me out. Oh my goodness. Maybe it'll give it good contrast when it dries. I don't know. That's the only positive I can think of. Well, all my sides are covered. My edges look good, I think. My corners. So, I will take the camera down and give you all a close-up. And if you try adding the gold to your colors, add more than just a little bit, I would say, because this really looks dull up against all the others, and the others are so beautiful. If this was dark, it wouldn't be so bad, because then it would look like the center of it was deeper, maybe more shadowed or whatever. But as it is, I'm not too thrilled with how that came out, and I should have mixed some more of that paint in there, that 24 karat gold, into that blue that I made. So I will take the camera down and give you a close-up. Thank you so much for hanging with me. Oh, hold on a second. Goodness, I wish you all could see the shimmer. See if I can get it. See how that's all shimmering? So pretty. Up in there, it's got that gold shimmer to it. All around there. The dioxazine looks really purple. Pretty with it in the purple. It kind of faded into the blue right there, which I really like. And of course, then that's got the gold in it. All of this up in here. So I like the combination of colors. I like the gold is for in there. I mean, the purple in there for contrast. I just wish that middle part wasn't so dull. You can tell how dull it is there up against all of that is got the gold in it, where I mix the gold in. Even up in here, all up in here, you can see how that gold shimmers in all that paint. Just sad. Thank you for watching. Check in with me again. I may tilt it just a little bit more. I'm having a desire to, so it may look a little different in the final picture. Warning. Thanks. Full disclosure, I tilted it some more. I just had to get some more of that middle blue off there. So I'm happier with it now. I think it looks better. I like it stretched out more, and then it's got more paint off the canvas, so that should help it to dry better. So thanks for watching.